Good morning, dear crafters. Early in the morning here in Sweden. You're welcome to my channel, and from Sweden here. Today I am dealing with number 14, and I have coffee, yes, and I have a pile of scrap over here. Do you see? I'm making some collage today, I was thinking. So, there we go. I have music paper, some vellum, I have coffee dyed, and half Christmas tree. Some labels, a round Christmas package, labels again, Santa. All these are from graphic. Santa again, and a label. And a Merry Christmas label, and old dictionary, very handy, you know. Doesn't matter which language. Old page, you see, they are really yellow or vintage. Yep. So, my friend, we see what I think I'm going to do firstly. I think we are going to lay down my music paper. You can have it like that, I think. And the Christmas tree over here. Yeah, we do that. We start like that. Not overthinking at all. So. And we are going to have this one over here, I think. Something like that. So, my friends, I hope you're well. As I said, here it's really early in the morning. Soon 6 o'clock. So, when I'm done here, I'm going to the gym. I reclaim my life, my body, my mind, everything. You know, I have been sick for almost 9 years. There we have. We are going to have that little package here with the 3. Yeah, we do that. We take the Christmas tree over there. going to have it. Can you see it is a Christmas tree? Can say the imaginary tree. And we have the package over there. You can have this one, fragile, handle with care. We see here, please do not open. Yeah. We start with the package. There. I can't say I am good at this when it's about collage, but I am in this opinion that if you don't practice, you don't get good at it. We take this one, it's in the same color. A moon and angel. So we tell a story over here, right? So maybe we are laying some of those. Yeah, we do that. And we can take some gold here. We see. There. You have the difference between the nice gold. Where do I have my little button? Over here is. A beautiful, nice golden string together with the coffee dyed vellum paper. Come on, like that. I think so. And we have some small of those rounded. We place them on the Christmas tree like that. And I think we are going to have some. So there. There. Now we have to find something more. What do I have? Something no too big. No. We can have this one over here. Maybe some ink on it, so there we go. We keep it simple. Not too much. There. So my friends, and then we have number 14. Shall we find out something more over here? If we can attach. We have a 14 over here as well. We can cut out it. We are do like this. Yep. And we all have some rounded corner. And we place it over there. And some ink. Yeah. There we go. Then I have to stand up to look at it, if it's okay. You see here? Yeah, nice. So that was number 14. Thank you for watching.